is the elevator at Building 7 on the SCF Bradenton campus in Bradenton, Florida. This is the office complex, and we've got a Kone. It's a hydraulic, and it's got Series 220 fixtures. Installed in 2002, I believe. We're gonna go down to 1 now. I kind of like the down chime, actually. So here's your cab view. No one called it. Normally just makes that sound. I mean, it normally, the lantern lights up. Here's your inspection certificate. Building 7, as you see there. Actually, yeah, we can't ring it more than once. So we're gonna go down now. Here's your phone, which it's not like any other phone on this campus. It's actually like, it's a compartment, but there's a button to push it, which is a pretty unique design. Anyway, you can't see much of the shaft, but as you see, they don't really want you taking the elevator, they want you to use the stairs, as it's set on other buildings.